Unraveling the Knot of Homophones, a guide to mastering English. Hello learners! We're diving into a fascinating part of the English language today, homophones. These are words that sound the same but have different meanings and often, different spellings. They can be tricky, but once you've got a handle on them, your speaking and writing skills will significantly improve. Homophones are words that sound alike but have different meanings. They can be spelled the same or differently. For example, pair and pair, or one and one. These words can cause confusion, especially in writing, as they can change the meaning of a sentence if used incorrectly. Homophones aren't always spelled differently. For instance, bear can mean to carry something, or it can also refer to the large mammal. Context usually helps us determine which meaning is intended. Always be mindful of the context when dealing with homophones. Some homophones are spelled differently. Here are a few examples. Here and here. Flower and flower. Allowed and allowed. These are particularly tricky because spellcheck won't catch them if you use the wrong one. You have to know the difference to use them correctly. Understanding their different meanings and practicing their usage can greatly help you. Let's take a look at how these words work in sentences. 1. I'm going to the store to buy some bread. Purchase. 2. The boat sails by the shore. Near. In both sentences, by and by sound the same, but their meanings are different. Being aware of the context will help you choose the correct homophone. Homophones can be a lot of fun. They add an element of humor and wit to the English language. For example, here's a joke. Why don't we write with a broken pencil? Because it's pointless. Pointless can mean without a point, like a broken pencil, or it can mean without purpose, making it a homophone joke. Enjoying and appreciating homophones can make learning them even easier. Mastering homophones is a significant step towards becoming proficient in English. Remember to always look at the context and continue to practice their usage. Keep in mind that even native English speakers sometimes get confused with homophones, so don't be hard on yourself. Keep practicing, and soon, you'll be a homophone pro. Thanks for joining us today, and we hope this video has been helpful to your journey in mastering English.